Yo, what's up? It's Malik, back again to talk real game about trading. Today I'm breaking down how to leverage prop firms, trade futures, and manage risk in a way that actually puts money in your pocket, consistently. I'm also going to introduce someone new to the channel who'll be helping me keep you more up to date than I ever could by myself. What's a prop firm? A prop firm gives you access to capital. You pass a challenge, prove you're not a wild gambler, and they fund you. You trade their money and keep up to 90% of the profits. You risk very little of your own, and you're rewarded for discipline, not for gambling. You pass a 50K or 100K challenge, and you're trading with serious capital, without risking your savings. That's a real opportunity most people sleep on. Why prop firms are powerful? Let's keep it simple. You don't need to risk your own money. You can make more while risking less. If you lose the challenge fee, not your whole bank account. If you win, you get paid. I've done it multiple times. I'll even show you real payout proofs I've gotten from these firms, not to flex, but to show you this path is very real if you lock in. Futures, what are we trading? I primarily trade futures, things like indices, US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500, gold, sometimes even currency pairs or crypto futures depending on the market. Why futures? They move. That means you don't need 10 trades a day. One solid setup can hit your goal for the week. You just need to be patient and precise. Popular prop firms right now, 2025. Here's a short list of solid firms that are working for traders right now. FTMO, MyFundedFX, Blue Guardian, TopStep, great for futures. E8, FundedNext. Each one has different rules. Some allow news trading, some don't. Some have tighter drawdown limits, others are more relaxed. The key is to pick the one that fits your style. Risk less. Earn more. Most new traders think the goal is to double their money fast, but the real skill is in managing risk. I'm talking risking 0.25% to make 1% or more. That's how you stay funded, get payouts, and actually stack cash instead of resetting your account every week. This is the part most people ignore, and it's why they never make it. Meet the new guy. Now listen, you'll be seeing a new voice or assistant around here. He's digital, he's fast, and he's built to keep you updated with market info, tips, breakdowns. Even when I'm off the charts handling business, I'm still here giving the real. But now I've got someone helping deliver more content, more consistently, with no fluff and zero emotion. Think of him as my second set of eyes, here to help you level up. Final thoughts. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to show you what's working, what's real, and what I've personally used to make this trading thing an actual income stream. Prop firms changed the game for me. Trading futures gave me the edge. Risk management gave me consistency. If you're ready to get serious, lock in, because this is just the beginning. Hit like, follow, or whatever platform you're on, and I'll be back soon with real payouts, real lessons, and help from this new dude right here to keep you sharp and profitable. Let's get it.